hear that you passed your permit test?
Hi, Alex. Oh, you're locked out.
Grace, come here. You're beautiful.
Thanks.
Wait, this is like in Good Luck Charlie when they when she would be like. You look actually so pretty right now. This is like, you know in those movies when they like show like the dead wife and it's like the montage of her like on the beach. You're giving dead wife in the best way possible.
Alex passed his permit test today, so he's gonna be driving for the first time. Actually, it's not the first time. He has driven before. Look at him, he's so excited. Is your seatbelt on, Alex? Turn the music down so we can lock in. Are you excited?
No, I'm actually scared.
You're scared?
No, I'm not scared.
Okay, foot on the brake, put it in drive.
I think I'm on him, trust.
Okay.
Oh, he literally. Oh, okay.
Just him.
10 and 2. 10 and 2.
Oh, no, we don't tend to.
Or 9 and 3 or whatever
We don't.
they say. Oh, we're going the other way. Not expecting that one.
Okay, we're accelerating a little fast. We crossed the street to the school. Yeah, they are just starting. There's like nobody there. We made it to the lacrosse game. Joe's out there, but he's not playing. No idea. Bye, Phil. Yeah, right here.
Mountain Dew, vitamin water, dragon fruit, mango.
How much cherry? How much blue raspberry?
Not cherry or blue raspberry. Do we want to go to a different gas station?
Good time.
We do have time.
No.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.